Now imagine if some of the strongest and deadliest weapons used in our world today did not depend on gunpowder in any way. These 10 weapons that we're going to see in this video are fully automatic or fast-firing and operate on alternative mechanisms, engineering design, and advanced technology. Let's find out what technology and features these interesting and unique weapons possess. Number 1. MCS T4E TC68. The MCS T4E TC68 is an impressive, less lethal launcher that is designed with a rifle type of ergonomics with 0.68 caliber ammunition with full auto capabilities. The most impressive feature of the launcher is the ability to fire multiple shots in rapid succession from a 20-round magazine. The MCS T4E TC68 may be used with CO2 cartridges, an 88-gram CO2 tank, or high-pressure air. It is estimated that the factory models have 20 joules of muzzle energy, while the HPA versions have much higher power. Other key features of the MCS T4E TC68 include AR-style design, ambidextrous controls, full-length Picatinny rail, and MLOK handguard. Versatility of the launcher allows one to choose the appropriate ammunition when legal and desired. Number 2. PTS Overwatch. PTS Overwatch is an American pneumatic launcher that is characterized by accuracy, range, and versatility. The weapon is capable of launching .68 caliber rounds to a distance of up to 100 yards, with the muzzle energy being approximately 20 to 25 joules. It features the collapsible design with the extended size of 44 inches and compact size of 16 inches, which helps in transportation. The platform comes in semi-automatic and bolt-action variants, based on whether the user would prefer to have a quick follow-up shot or precision. Using the 13 cubic inch 3,000 pound per square inch air tank, it utilizes 18 round magazines and various types of .68 caliber ammunition. The ambidextrous magazine release helps in better handling, and first focal plane optic with the ballistic compensation option ensures good aim on various distances. Number 3. Byrna CL-XL. The Byrna CL-XL is a high-end CO2-powered launcher that offers a contemporary design with enhanced aiming and handling capabilities. This launcher has an optic-cut top cover that can be used together with the Byrna ProSight Reflex red dot optic, while front and rear fiber optic sights make it easy to find the targets. In addition, there is an ergonomic magazine release button on the launcher. It utilizes a patented pull-pierce mechanism, whereby the 12-gram CO2 cartridge remains unpierced until the first trigger pull. As indicated by its specifications, this launcher has a muzzle velocity of up to 410 feet per second, with about 17 shots per CO2 cartridge. In addition, its effective range is 60 feet. The set includes the CL-XL launcher, 7-round and 5-round magazines, 2 CO2 cartridges, kinetic projectiles, launcher card, and carrying case. At a price of $579.99, the CL-XL is a feature-filled system for a compact launcher. Number 4. PepperBall PPC. PepperBall PPC is the .68 caliber magazine-fed gun that can be used for purposes of less lethal force. In particular, the gun possesses an effective combination of range, accuracy, and tactical versatility, and includes 10-round magazine that is made from glass-filled nylon and has an ability to engage targets from distances of up to 150 feet. Moreover, the system utilizes a 13 cubic inch HPA tank, or 88 grams of CO2, and has a smooth-bore 13 inches barrel. Besides, zero recoil system is intended to provide follow-up shots, and adjustment sights are included to enhance aiming. The gun has a free-floating M-LOK handguard and continuous MIL-STD1913 Picatinny top rail. PepperBall PPC is capable of accommodating various .68 caliber projectiles, including round and specific ones. Number 5. Umarex T4E Carbine Kit. This Umarex T4E Carbine Conversion Kit is a very flexible accessory that will enable you to convert your T4E TR50 revolver into an even more stable rifle-type platform. This conversion kit works both with Generation 1 and Generation 2 of this airsoft revolver. The main elements include durable polymer frame and folding stock, which improve the ergonomics of this airsoft revolver. The long Picatinny rail enables the user to install optics to his airsoft gun. The additional MLO slots make it possible to mount additional accessories, like a bipod or light. 3 QD sling interfaces provide many ways of carrying this conversion kit. In addition, the muzzle of this accessory has the threads to mount the T4EX Tracer 50 for the best visual effect. The Umarex T4E Carbine Kit is about 685mm long and weighs only 525 grams. Number 6. Paradigm Tactical PTX. Paradigm Tactical PTX is a precision-oriented .68 caliber air gun that is capable of firing accurate shots regardless of whether you use standard or shaped pellets. The gun was designed to function within the 20 to 25 joules range, making it very accurate. It is even said to have the ability to group shots on 8-inch targets up to a distance of 100 yards. The .685 caliber rifled and ported barrel of the gun was made to ensure pellet stability as well as minimize noise. Inline on /off air isolation feature makes sure that pressure does not escape when storing the gun. The gun has a durable 6061-T6 billet aluminum upper receiver and a glass-filled nylon lower receiver. It has provision for standard M16/M4 grips, AR-15 threads for handguard, and ambidextrous magazine release. It has a weight of 7.5 pounds with an aluminum tank. Number 7. Umarex HDS 68. The Umarex HDS 68 is a unique double-barreled launcher chambered in .68 calibers and using CO2 gas as a power source. It operates on one 12-gram CO2 capsule that is placed in the grip and comes in several power variations based on the region. The launcher can come either in 7.5 or 16 joules. The launcher is equipped with the quick piercing mechanism so that the CO2 capsule can remain sealed until used. The barrel selector is placed on the top and allows choosing either the left or right barrel or both at once. The HDS 68 launcher can be loaded with different .68 caliber rounds according to the local legislation and manufacturing compatibility. The HDS 68 launcher is also equipped with the Picatinny rail underneath the barrels and has the double-action only trigger with safety. The launcher weighs 1.7 kilograms and measures 49 centimeters. Number 8. Steambow B8. Steambow B8 is a .68 caliber air gun built in the style of AR assault rifle. This type of weapon is intended for recreational shooting, training sessions, and less lethal purposes. The Steambow B8 works with round pellets and is equipped with an 8 shots removable magazine, which may be loaded in advance for ease of use. Under normal conditions, the B8 has a 35-pound limb and operates on 7 joules muzzle energy depending on specific build and ammunition used. The size of the system is 24.21 inches in length and 3.97 pounds in weight. Among notable features of the B8 are the possibility of adjusting the AR-style stock, the vertical grip, and Picatinny/Weaver railings for attachments. Due to the modularity of the construction, this airgun has a unique appearance and may be used for various recreational purposes. Number 9. Umarex Glock 17 T4E. The Umarex Glock 17 T4E is a marker with a caliber of .43 powered by CO2, and it is designed to be used as a training replica for the Glock model. This gun is able to shoot compatible paintballs, powder balls, chalk, and even rubber balls at speeds of up to 360 feet per second. The magazine consists of 8 rounds with a 12-gram CO2 capsule inside of it, thus providing a very convenient way of powering the gun. As for its physical design, it has a CNC machined aluminum slide and realistic blowback. The design was inspired by the Generation 5 Glock, which means that it includes such ergonomic elements as ambidextrous slide stop, front slide serrations, reversible magazine release, flared magwell, and also integrated trigger safety. Due to the one-to-one dimensions, it is able to fit most of the duty-style holsters on the market. And that's all you need to know about 10 cool guns that show that explosive power is not always needed. Thanks to unusual designs of air-driven and multi-shot guns, these devices demonstrate amazing feats of engineering. Which one amazed you the most? Comment below, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content.